Are you still struggling to get the numbers right? Look no further. Log into your account and click on the costing link. The costing service groups the ingredients used across all created recipes in your account and displays a form to update your inventory. Just fill in the quantity along with units, the cost of the ingredient as invoiced by your supplier, and an expiration date, to receive notifications when expiration approaches, and click on Update. Once finished, go to your recipes, and you will notice the cost summary that includes the cost of the recipe, the cost of goods sold, along with the cost analysis. If any costing information is missing, the platform will guide you towards a resolution. We also added a slider to easily calculate the profit margin you would like to set for that recipe. We have also added a pricing feature for each recipe, which you can set for both newly created and existing recipes. Simply add the price and currency, then click Update. The price changes are all reflected on both the QRecipe platform and the Smart app in real time. Pricing is directly related to the recipe and is automatically included on both new and existing menus, allowing quick and easy updates that printed and most digital menus cannot manage without additional customer support or expense. Join QRecipe to learn more and keep on improving food intelligence.